Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be answering some frequently asked questions about the performance and proper usage of a drill machine. If you are a beginner or planning to buy one, this video is for you. Which drill machine is best for home use? For home and DIY tasks, a cordless drill machine with moderate power, 12V, 18V, is recommended. It's portable, easy to use, and ideal for drilling into wood, plastic, and light metal. Brands like Inco, Dongqing, and Bosch have excellent budget and mid-range models for households. Can drilling machines be used for concrete or masonry? Yes, but only if you use a hammer drill or rotary hammer drill with the correct masonry drill bits. Regular drills may not provide enough power and can damage the bit or motor. For construction work, Bosch and Makita hammer drills are highly rated in Nigeria. What's the difference between impact drill and hammer drill? Impact drill, best for driving screws and bolts with extra torque. Hammer drill, designed for tougher jobs like drilling into concrete and stone. For Nigerian buyers, if you're into heavy construction work, choose a hammer drill. For woodwork or metalwork workshops, an impact drill is more suitable. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.